kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful tree and sun. Beautiful color used in the tree and sun. Brown color, orange color, yellow color, dark green color and light green color. Yellow color in sun. Orange color. Brown color in tree. Yellow color. Light green color in tree. Wow! Dark green color. Light green color. Wow! Kids, our beautiful sun with beautiful tree is ready. Subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.